Imagine a time, about 4.5 billion years ago, when our Earth was just a swirling cloud of dust and gas in space. What happened next? This cloud collapsed under its own gravity, forming a spinning disk. As it spun, particles began to stick together, creating larger clumps called planetesimals. When did this all take place? Over millions of years, these planetesimals collided and merged, eventually forming the Earth we know today. But how did it become a planet? As these clumps grew larger, they attracted more material, becoming hot and molten due to the pressure and energy from constant impacts. Now, let's talk about where this chaos unfolded. In the early solar system, near our Sun, Earth formed in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone, not too hot and not too cold. This zone allowed water to exist in liquid form, crucial for life. But why is this important? Early Earth was a fiery ball of magma. As it cooled over millions of years, it formed solid layers: a core, mantle, and crust. Volcanic eruptions shaped the land and created oceans as rain fell from the cooling atmosphere. Finally, who was around during this incredible transformation? While no one was there to witness it, scientists study rocks and meteorites to piece together this story of our planet's birth. So there you have it. From dust to a vibrant world capable of supporting life, Earth's formation is a tale of chaos and beauty that continues to unfold even today. Enjoyed this journey through Earth's formation? Subscribe and comment below to share your thoughts and keep exploring with us.